In a small village nestled between towering mountains, there lived a boy named Elias. He was only 10 years old, but fear gripped him every day. He feared the dark, he feared the unknown, and he feared failure. His father, a wise old man, would often tell him, "Fear is the path to the dark side. Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering." But Elias never truly understood his father's words. One evening, a terrible storm swept through the village. The rain came pouring down, the wind howling like a wild beast. The floodwaters surged, destroying homes and leaving the villagers desperate. Fear spread quickly, and it wasn't long before it turned into anger. Villagers blamed one another for the disaster, shouting accusations and arguing fiercely. Anger turned to hatred, and soon some refused to help their neighbors, leaving others to suffer in the rising waters. Elias watched in horror. He saw the fear that had once controlled him take hold of the entire village. But then, something inside him stirred. Determined to break the cycle, Elias stepped forward, pushing past the fear and anger that gripped him. He gathered a few villagers and began rebuilding the homes, one piece at a time. As Elias worked, something extraordinary happened. His courage inspired others. Slowly, more and more villagers joined in. The once fearful faces turned into expressions of hope. The anger that had divided them faded, replaced by kindness. Hatred was replaced by unity, as everyone worked together for a common goal: to restore what was lost and rebuild their lives. By the end of the day, the village was not only physically restored, but emotionally transformed as well. The storm had passed, and the sky was clear, a beautiful sunset, casting a warm glow over the village. The people had learned a powerful lesson. Fear could be conquered, and from courage came strength, unity, and hope. Elias, once afraid, had become the symbol of change for his village, and in that moment, he finally understood his father's words. Fear may try to control us, but when we face it with courage, we break the cycle and find a brighter, better path forward. Being brave helps us face our fears. Sometimes we get scared or upset when things go wrong, just like the villagers did during the storm. But if we stay calm and work together, we can fix things and help each other out. Instead of getting angry or blaming others, we should be kind, share, and help.